Madagascar, the isolated continent where evolution went wild. What if I told you there's a place on Earth where animals evolved so differently, it feels like another planet? A land where lemurs rule, predators are strange hybrids, and plants look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Welcome to Madagascar, the island where evolution went completely wild. Located off the southeast coast of Africa, Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world. But what makes it truly special isn't its size, it's its isolation. Around 88 million years ago, Madagascar broke away from the Indian subcontinent and drifted into the Indian Ocean, completely cut off from the rest of the world. And from that moment, evolution started playing by its own rules, the power of isolation. When species are isolated for millions of years, something incredible happens. They evolve in ways you'd never expect. No competition from outside species, no familiar predators, just nature experimenting endlessly. That's why today, over 90% of Madagascar's wildlife exists nowhere else on Earth. It's like nature hit the Create New Species button, again and again. The kingdom of lemurs. If Madagascar had a mascot, it would be the lemur. These wide-eyed primates are found only on this island, and there are over 100 different species. From the tiny mouse lemur, small enough to fit in your hand, to the hauntingly beautiful indri, whose calls echo like whale songs through the forest. What's even more fascinating, lemurs evolved to fill roles that monkeys and apes occupy elsewhere, because those animals never made it to Madagascar. So here, lemurs became everything. Strange creatures you won't believe. Madagascar isn't just about lemurs, it's home to some of the strangest animals on Earth, the fossa, a predator that looks like a mix between a cat and a mongoose. The leaf-tailed gecko, so perfectly camouflaged it looks exactly like a dead leaf. And chameleons, including some of the smallest reptiles on the planet. In fact, Madagascar is home to nearly half of the world's chameleon species. It's as if evolution had unlimited creativity here. A land of alien plants. The plants of Madagascar are just as bizarre. Take the baobab trees, massive ancient giants that look like they've been planted upside down, with roots reaching into the sky. Or the spiny forests, filled with strange thorny plants that look more like sculptures than living organisms. Just like its animals, Madagascar's plant life evolved in isolation, creating ecosystems found nowhere else on Earth. A fragile paradise, but this incredible island is under threat. Deforestation, climate change, and human activity are rapidly destroying Madagascar's unique ecosystems. In fact, many species here are now critically endangered. And because they exist nowhere else, if they disappear from Madagascar, they're gone forever. This isn't just a loss for one island, it's a loss for the entire planet. Madagascar isn't just an island, it's a living experiment, a glimpse into what happens when evolution is left alone for millions of years. A world of creatures that defy expectations and remind us just how strange and beautiful life on Earth can be. So next time you think you've seen it all, remember Madagascar, where evolution went wild.